In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use an email alias in Hostinger. If you've ever wanted to manage multiple email addresses without the hassle of juggling separate accounts, using an email alias is a great way to achieve this. An email alias lets you have several different addresses that direct to the same inbox, enabling you to streamline your communications effortlessly. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the email section within your H panel. This is your go-to area for managing everything related to your Hostinger email accounts. Once you're in the email section, take a moment to select the specific domain for which you'd like to create an alias. The domains available will correspond to those associated with your Hostinger account, so ensure you pick the right one up front to keep everything organized. After you've selected your domain, look for the email alias option and go ahead and click on it. This takes you to the area where you can manage current aliases or create new ones. The next step involves choosing the Create Alias option. It's very intuitive from here as you'll be prompted to enter the desired alias name. This is essentially the email handle you want people to use when they contact you. Remember, the name should be clear and directly related to its intended use, perhaps reflecting a department, role, or function, depending on your needs. Now, you'll need to choose the main email account the alias should forward to. This is where all those emails will land, so pick your primary account or the one most convenient for handling the specific correspondence you're setting the alias up for. Once you've double-checked everything to ensure the details are correct, just click Create. By now, you've successfully set up your email alias, and that's a significant step towards better email management. Now, what if you want to send an email from this newly created alias? It's quite straightforward. Head over to Hostinger Webmail, where you normally would compose a new email message. While you're in the composition screen, you'll notice a From drop-down menu. Here is where all the magic happens. Simply click this drop-down and select your new alias as the sending address. This ensures that your email appears to come directly from the alias, providing continuity and professional presentation to your recipients. With this setup, managing multiple emails under different aliases becomes a breeze, all while maintaining a unified point of contact for easier access and organization. It's a simple yet incredibly effective tool. Whether you're managing casual contacts or coordinating business communications, using an email alias in Hostinger brings a convenient, efficient edge to your interactions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.